Tip Cymraeg yr Wythnos, the Welsh language tip of the week. And this week we'll be concentrating on the Treigladau, the mutations. The main thing for you to learn with the Treigladau is that there are 3 different types of mutations. A Treiglad Meddal, the soft mutation, and this affects now 9 letters. You can see them there in glass, and they mutate softly to the gwyrdd, to the green. A Treiglad Trwynol, the nasal mutation, and this affects 6 letters, and they turn to the oren, the orange column. And last one, Treiglad Llais, the aspirate mutation. This only affects 3, and they turn to the coch, the pink column over here. So PTC to PH, TH and CH. Heddiw, today, we'll be focusing at a Treiglad Meddal, the soft mutation. And I'm going to give you a tip I gofio, a tip to remember the soft mutations. Because if you look, there's 9 of them, and it's quite difficult and hard to remember what each letter mutates to. So here's a hack that I saw online the other week to help you. Paddington bear. So the P turns to a B. Think of Paddington bear. P to a B. Top dog. The T softly mutates to a D. Top dog. Cary grant. The K softly mutates to a G. K to a G. Cary grant. B to an F, or V in Welsh. Bruce Forsyth. Dafydd. So the D doubles to a double D. So think of the Cymraeg name, the Welsh name Dafydd. The beginning of the name is a singular D, and it mutates to a double D. Th. And when I think of a Dafydd, I think of this Welsh legend, Dafydd Iwan. So the D doubles to a double D. G, you'll see here, there's just a dash, and that means that we omit, that we get rid of the G. So gone with the wind. It disappears. You drop the G. It's gone. Gone with the wind. To a singular L. Llewelyn was a lord. So Llewelyn, our last Prince of Wales. So the double L, we just drop it to 1 L. M to an F. Morgan Freeman. And the RH to an R. RHydian, this is from the X Factor many moons ago. I don't know if you can remember, but the RH just turns to a single R, so we drop the H. RHydian Roberts, that was his surname. RHydian Roberts. Now let's put this into practice and see if it helps. Mi es I Pwllheli ar dydd Sadwrn. I went to Pwllheli on Saturday. Now, there are 2 soft mutations in this sentence. One after the I and another after the R, meaning on. So I remember my hack, and the P turns to a B, Paddington bear, and the D doubles just like the name Dafydd. This is the correct sentence. Mi es I Pwllheli ar ddydd Sadwrn. I went to Pwllheli on Saturday. Mi nes I gwylio teledu ddoe. I did watch television yesterday. So the G, what happens? It's gone with the wind. So we drop the G. So as you can see there, it's got a line through it. So the correct sentence should be Mi nes I wylio teledu ddoe. The G is dropped. Dwi'n dod o Rhuthun yn wreiddiol. So the RH noise, Rhuthun. We look the O, meaning from, causes a soft mutation, so the RH just drops to a single R. Dwi'n dod o Rhuthun yn wreiddiol. I come from Rhuthun originally. If you need any help with your mutations or any grammar rules, please don't hesitate to email a dwi'n hapus I helpu. I'm happy to help. Diolch yn fawr iawn am wylio. Hwyl fawr.